Good morning! Ladies and gentlemen, if I can raise your property image and value by making it look smart and millennial, attract new customers and increase your revenue, raise your profit margin by $200,000 per 1,000 rooms or $20 million per 100,000 rooms, while saving you tons of money on water, gas, electric, and saving human and ocean lives and the environment, you would give me 10 minutes of your attention, wouldn't you? On March 22nd, 2019, United Nations made an announcement that by the year 2030, which is only 10 years away, over 700 million people will be out of clean drinking water. Water can soon be more costly than gas. Without gas, we simply cannot run a car. But without water, no living thing survives. No human being, animals or plants will survive. This means if you have a water conservation in your property, not only will it save you tons of money, it will also raise your property value tremendously. Here in the US, California has experienced one of the longest droughts in US history for almost 10 years, since 2011. Now, the government has only two alternatives. 1. Recycle wastewater. That means drinking trash water plus chemicals. But each time you add 1% chemicals, 100 times means 100% chemicals. Soon, we will be drinking chemical and not water. Imagine the health repercussions of diseases like cancer, which normally originate from chemicals. The other alternative is to implement a $1 billion desalination plant, which is not only costly to begin with, it uses high energy cost, which triples the normal rate. But most importantly, it kills millions of ocean lives as it sucks in ocean water. While desalinatization plants kill ocean lives, water conservation is still the best solution, as it helps save both human and ocean lives. Now the government has no choice but to offer incentives for everyone. iTouchFaucets is one of the few products to receive government incentives so that you can install iTouchFaucets with zero cost out of pocket while saving water, gas, electric and paper towels. In addition to that, you will receive up to $200 tax credit per unit installed. This means $200,000 per 1,000 rooms or $20 million per 100,000 rooms. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Joanna Boy, owner and inventor of iTouchFaucets. It gives me great pleasure to introduce iTouchFaucets, one of the smartest, most eco-friendly faucets in the world. Until now, the only electronic auto shutter faucets is the motion sensor faucets, also known as infrared faucets. Unfortunately, these often fail because the infrared eye goes through a lens that is porous, whose vision gets blurred with soap suds and hence require regular cleaning by your engineers. This means constant downtime and high maintenance cost. Hence, you will see them at public restrooms, not in hotel rooms with only one sink. iTouchFaucet is a patented, smart faucet that simply uses an electronic touchpad to replace your existing faucet handles, which can be wiped off easily with a tissue paper. In future, there will be no more handles. Using faucet handles is like using a typewriter versus an iPad. This electronic touchpad has a patented technology touch timer and temperature and can be attached to most existing faucets for your bathroom sink, kitchen sink, showers and bathtub. For the bathroom sink, until now many hotel rooms still rely on traditional faucets where you need to free up both hands, turn on the hot water while using the left hand and turn on the cold using the right hand, making it cumbersome, unsanitary and time-consuming adjusting that water temperature. iTouchFaucets uses touch technology to give you 4 preset touch temperature: hot, warm, warmer, cold. A lot of water is wasted adjusting that water temperature, so we preset the temperature to save precious water. To use it, you simply touch it with your finger to give you 3 seconds of water. Why 3 seconds? Because it takes only 3 seconds to fill up your cup, so while you are brushing your teeth or shaving, water is not running. When done, you simply touch it again for another 3 seconds to rinse off your toothbrush, hence using only 6 seconds of water versus 60 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, we just saved you 90% water, gas, electric. According to American Dental Association, most people spend 60 seconds brushing their teeth, though the recommended time frame is 2 minutes. For showers, unlike most showers where the handles are directly under the shower, which gives you the first splash of cold water, iTouchFaucets can be placed outside the shower. You simply program it for 10 minutes or more of your choice. Touch the hot button, let the water warm up first before you even step in. iTouchFaucets helps you avoid that first splash of cold water. Many designers have placed the handles across the showers to help avoid that first splash of cold water. But that means you double the piping cost and double the shower space. iTouchFaucets help you avoid all that extra costs, yet helps you avoid that first splash of cold water. Bathtubs. One of the biggest problems of most hotels is very costly bathtub overflow, especially in Vegas, where bathtub overflow is a weekly affair, costing an average $10,000 per overflow. With iTouchFaucets, hotel owners can program it to fill up the bathtub with auto shut-off. Hence avoid costly bathtub overflow problems, mold issues, and high insurance cost. Plus, hotel guests need not be constantly checking whether their bathtub is full. Restaurant kitchen. How often do you step into a kitchen and all you see is trash cans filled with paper towels? By law, kitchen staff cannot touch the dirty faucet handles with their clean hands. Hence, they have to grab a bunch of paper towels to shut off the faucet handles. iTouchFaucets has a timer to shut off the water supply without touching that faucet handles, making it more sanitary and saving you tons of paper towels. In fact, if I can even save you $1 a day in paper towels, I save you $30 a month per sink, plus $10 saving water, gas, electric. This means $500 in savings per year per sink. Free advertising. Last but not least, iTouchFaucets offers free advertising of your hotel name and logo on our Touchpad, reminding your hotel guests of your unique hotel name and experience. With government funding, you can use iTouchFaucets for free with savings in water, gas, electric, while increasing your profit margin through tax incentive via Section 179. This means $200,000 per 1,000 rooms tax credit, or $20 million per 100,000 rooms in tax incentives, hence improving your bottom line immediately. iTouchFaucets is the faucet of the future. Just like using an iPad versus a typewriter, it's not a faucet you choose to have. It is a faucet you cannot live without. For more info, kindly review website and YouTube video, iTouchFaucets.com, or call 855 827 6288.